This tutorial will guide you through the complete process of finding, configuring, and using a V2Ray server with the NPV Tunnel VPN app for secure and fast browsing. We'll walk through server generation, app setup, configuration import, and connection. Open your browser and search for UDP Custom. Click on the official UDP Custom website link. Choose Server category. For V2Ray connections, select V2Ray Servers or Free V2Ray Server. From the main menu, open the V2Ray generator. From the menu, choose V2Ray Server Generator. You'll be taken to a page with a short form that includes a username field, a CAPTCHA checkbox, a privacy terms agreement, create your V2Ray config. 1. Enter a username, any random name like SpeedVPN99. 2. Check I'm not a robot. 3. Agree to the privacy terms. 4. Click on Create V2Ray Server. Copy the server configuration. Wait for a few seconds while your VMess configuration is generated. Once ready, copy the V2Ray configuration link to your clipboard. Install and launch the app. 1. Go to the Play Store on your Android device. 2. Search for NPV Tunnel. 3. Tap Install, then Open once the installation is complete. 4. On the home screen, tap on the Config tab at the bottom. 5. Tap the plus icon at the top right corner. 6. A menu will pop up. Select Import Config from Clipboard. Select V2Ray Config when prompted. The app will automatically import the config from your clipboard. Test and connect. 1. Tap the Log tab to view connectivity status. 2. Return to the main screen. 3. Tap Ping to check server latency. 4. Press Connect. 5. Once successful, status will update to Connected. You'll see active server name and IP, download upload speed, live logs and ping details. Important tips. 1. Free versus premium servers. Free servers may disconnect more often. For best performance, try premium servers if available. 2. Performance optimization: switch server locations. If speed is low, prefer locations closer to your region. Use apps with TLS support for better encryption. Avoid using personal info as your username. Clear cache and logs regularly for privacy. Always verify the source before importing configs. Common issues and fixes. Issue solution: server not connecting. Try another server. Or restart app config. Not importing: ensure it's copied correctly or use manual input. Slow connection. Change the server location or test with another VPN mode. Now you know how to generate a free V2Ray VMess server using UDP Custom import and set it up in NPV Tunnel. Establish a fast, secure connection with live monitoring. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with friends. For more VPN tricks and configuration guides, stay tuned to our channel.